Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to funnel hack with AI, how to find winning ads, winning funnels, how to recreate them with the help of AI with Lovable and ChatGPT. And if you're an agency owner, lead generation agency, or just a business that wants to find a winning funnel, primarily to run with paid ads and convert a lot of this traffic, then this video will be super helpful for you because I'm gonna teach you how to find the ads that people have been running for a long time, which means they're spending money and probably they're profitable. Who would spend money without being profitable, right, for a long time? And how to find these funnels and easily recreate them, rebrand them, and hook them up with your CRM so you can run them. So let's get started. Funnel hacking with AI. First step is to find the proven ads. We're gonna be using really nice method with finding meta ads that have been running for months and months, which means they're spending money for a long time. They have been published like 3, 4, 5, 6 months ago and still running. This is a huge indicator that they have a profitable ad strategy, profitable funnel. Okay, then we're gonna reverse engineer their funnel, see what they're doing, and try to find a few funnels that we like, that we want to recreate. Then we're gonna be rebuilding it using AI. We're gonna be using Lovable, putting the URL, getting first mockup, and then customizing and polishing it so it's with your branding and with everything. And then we're gonna be launching and testing it and I'm gonna show you a method how to hook up the form from Lovable with GoHighLevel, so it's gonna be amazing. Okay, let's get started. First step is to find the proven ads. I want you to go and go for Meta Ads Library or Facebook Ads Library, whatever. And when you come here, so click the first link, and this is Facebook tool, Meta tool, where you can find winning ads. I mean, whatever kind of ads, because it's all publicly. So you can choose the country, but let's go with United States here because probably you're gonna be targeting that kind of country. And then here you can go with like your niche. So let's say maybe your lead generation agency serving roofing companies or serving solar or real estate, whatever. So you can play with the keywords here, but let's go with roofing. And you click here and you will get a bunch of ads. You see, like you get ads that are sending traffic to a landing page. These are that are clickable. You get these send messages, call now, and then some of these will be like the lead forms, get quote. I'm gonna show how to inspect these as well if you're gonna be running lead forms. But these have been published like today, yesterday, right? So we don't know if these are profitable ads, like 34,000 ads. So what you want to do is click here, filter, and change this to go back. So right now we are in August 2025. Let's change it to 1st of May, which would be an indicator that someone published an ad 3 months ago. You see, started running May 1st, platforms, all of these, but they are still running it, which means they're running it for months. And usually no one's gonna run anything for months if it's not profitable. I hope so. And then we can start inspecting. So we have these clickable ones. When you click here, it will open up their funnel and we can see like their funnels. Okay, this is one. And then you will have these, okay, send message, that's one thing, but you will find these like get quote, that's not clickable. So if you're running lead forms, I wanted to show you this as well. You can click here, see ad details. And when you scroll down, click additional assets from this ad. Then you will see like what happens with the lead form as well. Like it's not nice, like designed or something, but you see what's in there. Like fill out the form to qualify for insurance coverage. And then you see like what questions they are asking. So this is the first question, second question, third question. And then they have even a photo here. So that's one thing. And here when you click this one, about ads and data use, and let me get back here. So see ad details, there's more information that you can sometimes get. Okay, in this case it's not visible, but sometimes you get here like who they're targeting, what's like the age group of the targeting and stuff like that. But here we don't see it at this moment. Okay, so let's get back to finding winning funnels. When you come here, so these like page we don't want to click, we want these with learn mores. Let's open up a few of these and try to find some funnel that we like, that we want to funnel hack. And this works like with a lot of different verticals, right? Like I guess for everything. But even we can go here, maybe solar. Let's see, do we get some solar? You see, like these are solar panels probably. Buy one, get solar generator. Okay, maybe we need to have a more detailed keyword, but yeah, we're getting like a lot of stuff here. All right, let's not get into this route. But primarily, like, let's say if you're a lead generation agency, SMMA, whatever, and you have a niche or a new client, like this is a great way to find winning funnels and actually recreate them. So let's say out of all of these, you like this one. It's pretty short, but with the step-by-step form, it's probably having really good conversion rates, because usually these step-by-step forms perform really good. This one looks a little bit ugly. This one, nothing special, but let's take this one as well. So this one, nothing special. So let's go with like this one and this one, primarily this one, step-by-step. Because usually creating these step-by-step forms with WordPress or GoHighLevel is like not so easy. So I would take this URL, go to Lovable, so create an account. I think they have a free tier as well, but normally it's like $20 or something. And then you can say something like recreate this website as close as possible. Take a look at the step-by-step form and recreate it. Try make it, yeah, let's see, recreate it. Here's the link. And you put the link in here, and then Lovable is gonna go inspect the website, get their code, and start creating the website. So I'm gonna pause the video and get back when this is finished. All right, I hear the sound from Lovable. It's still creating it on the right, but let's see what happened here. So it fetched the website. I wanted to recreate it, design elements. It got all the design elements. Features it implemented, step-by-step form, radio button form. We can see it here. We're gonna be testing it soon. And then it was creating it, and then complete creation step. It done all of this, and we have it live here. Okay, let's test it out. Are you a homeowner? Yes. Next. Roof replacement, single family, and then we have a form. So yeah, like amazing, right? And definitely, like if you want your logo, let's just find some logo. You can like change it up. So you can just say, you can upload it here or remove the logo on top. Later, I'm gonna add mine. I mean, you would do it right now, but I don't have any spare logo. And then you're chatting here with Lovable to actually improve the website. All of this stuff like privacy policy links. So if you click here, it's not clickable, or it is, maybe it's the same link. Yeah, 404. So you can like specify where you want these to go, or to create different pages in the background. And let me just see. The logo has been removed from the header, but when I check it out here, so when you click here, preview, it should open up the preview, and yeah, no logo, nothing, and you can add it later. Let's check out the mobile version. So I don't really like it. I would then say, please optimize the mobile version as well, so the headline and text fit. And then it will go on and optimize the mobile version. So always check. You can check by just clicking right click, inspect, and you will get these like different variations of this. But you want usually to have the headline text here and that people see the form, and then they will go to the form. You can check it here as well. Bam, bam, and yeah, it's amazing, right? Like what you can do then, if you want to have a different, but I wouldn't even change anything, like need a new roof, your home may qualify for our showcase program. Maybe you don't want to call the showcase program, maybe you want to change stuff. You can just go into ChatGPT, take all of this and let it recreate some headlines or something, or you get creative. And okay, it's still optimizing the mobile, edited. So when we click publish here and when we open it up, yeah, it should be now done. It's still not. Let's click publish. And then open this one here. Yeah, it's more optimized. You can obviously play with this with the logo. Still you're above like the header, they see the form. So I think this is amazing. We have this edit with Lovable. We want definitely to remove this. So there's two ways. You won't be running this to this link. Obviously you want this to be your website or subdomain or something, and you want to remove this edit with Lovable, and you want this form because right now, let's say maybe you're using GoHighLevel or some of your CRMs or something. This form, when it's filled up, it goes nowhere, and you would need to take the website as a code, connect it in the background to something. So I like to do this with the webhook, and I'm gonna show you how to actually do it. So let's get back here. First, removing the Lovable logo. I think you need to be on the paid plan. I'm pretty sure you do. And when you click here, settings, you have a bunch of settings here, but there should be hide Lovable badge, and you turn this on, okay? And then when we actually refresh this should be gone, yeah. And then there's more stuff. So need a new roof. If you want to change this, like how to call the website, you say change the SEO title to just need a new roof. Remove the favicon of Lovable. I'm gonna be adding my later. Let's say like this. So favicon is this little icon. So you want to get all of these little details as well. So in a nutshell, you want it to look nice. You want these clicks to be like clickable and everything. When you go into the mobile version, you want it to be like a good step-by-step. You can change obviously the cover colors or something to your clients if you're creating this for clients or for something. But I'll update that. So done. So right now when we refresh this or when we click publish, update, and when we open up this preview, usually it's best to go with the preview because it removes all the cache. In the background, you open it up and okay, I can see still the Lovable favicon, but yeah, later when you add yours, then it will be changed. You just add a little image and say change it, okay? So we have this. The website is looking nice. What we had like for less than 10 minutes, we built this. So today's age is amazing. What we want to do right now is to publish it. So there's some other ways how you can do this, like pull this as a code, upload it somewhere, but actually you have custom domains here. You click custom domains, and then you can use some of the connected ones, add existing one, or purchase a new one. So if you have an existing ones, you can click connect here, and if you have like your client's website or something, you can click continue, but probably you will be buying a new one. So just when you do this, take care that you create like, okay, when I click here, I want to use a subdomain. So because if you do this with your client's main domain, then their whole website will go here. You want to use a subdomain like goclient.com, and then you want to continue with this. Remember, if the domain was purchased on GoDaddy, you will need to have access, so secure it before. And the other way is to click here, buy a domain, and you just try to buy one of these domains. So this is a random one, but it's native. So when you go through these steps, you will be able to buy it directly in here. Let me close this up. And when you buy it, it usually needs a few minutes or even like 1 hour to 2 hours. You will see it here, but it won't be available. So it needs like in the background DNS and stuff. So when it's available, you will just click here. You will have this one and another one, and you click here and it will be like website without Lovable with the main domain, okay? If you want to add Facebook tracking or something, you add it directly here. So you copy and paste the code or Google Tag Manager, whatever you're using, it will add it there. And you have two ways. So when they finish this, you will need a thank you page, right? You can either create it in Lovable, what we usually do because we use GoHighLevel, we create it in GoHighLevel, and we just say, after filling out the form, redirect to this URL. So we can just take this one, whatever. So after filling out the form, please redirect to this URL, and this should be the thank you page, same website or the thank you page of your client that they already have. And we are getting close. So we have the website, it will be with the domain and everything. What we need is like when this is filled out, that it's sent somewhere, right? So I'm gonna show you right now with GoHighLevel to do it. The other way would be to do it with like whatever CRM your clients are using or you are using with the help of webhooks. Webhooks, basically, when someone fills out the information, it goes into that webhook. All these fields are there, and then you can modify them and send them into your CRM, okay? So inside GoHighLevel, you would go to automations. So you need to go to your workspace or your client's workspace, click create a new workflow. And you started here with the webhook. So webhook, it should be an inbound webhook. And you take like this whole thing and go back here and you say, after they add send information from this form when someone fills it to this webhook. I hope it will understand what we want to do. And basically all these fields that someone fills out should be sent. I'll update the form to send data. Okay, it's working on it. And then inside GoHighLevel, when we fill out the form once, when we click here, fetch sample results, we should then see everything what we can then just map out and create a new opportunity or do whatever with it. So it's really good. Yeah, and we got like the funnel ready, so you can connect it in background to set it to the redirect or connect the webhook here. You can basically like say send to this webhook to GoHighLevel or to something else, or you can like play with this Supabase connected, but I won't go into too detail. So when you buy the domain and everything, you will be able to publish it here, and you will have a full funnel. It will look like this. On a mobile, it's looking nice. You can change the colors obviously and everything. It's working here. When you go to these steps, you even get like a short notification. I'm just gonna fill out these. Thank you for filling out the information, but you can redirect them. And yeah, then you can add the tracking codes and everything, and you can run ads. So additionally, a big benefit of the ad library is that you can see what ads have been running. So you can create a variant of this. You can listen to these videos. Okay, we are here in this one round, but let's go with roofing again. And you can check out like what people have been running. Like Okay, this is a video ad. We have some image ads here, other image ads. So if you can go with video, definitely go, especially with AI technology today, you can create it. So yeah, you can then create a lot of ads, create a few funnels, and basically secure amazing results for you or your clients. And then you're gonna launch and test. So we do this, usually we create a few funnels if we want a funnel hack, and we run like 3-4 of them with different ad angles, and usually 1-2 works best. We optimize them. You can keep everything in Lovable, even create later mode tests and stuff like this. So it's an amazing way to actually get great results. If you like this, check out my school community down below. It's for people like us joining together, learning, and I have a lot of more hacks. This one is for funnel hacking. I have other ones to generate and get clients through cold outbound and stuff like that. So like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.